I hope you're all well. Today I just wanted to show you how to do a front braid. It's a great way of keeping hair out your face, or if your fringe is outgrown and is bugging you and you want to get it out the way. At the same time, it still looks really good also. I'm actually going to take my glasses off. So, I've already moved my parting over slightly. You haven't got to do that. I just prefer the way it sits, but that's something you can play about with yourself. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to take my section. It can be any thickness really. I quite like mine quite chunky. And then I section it so it actually goes behind my ear. So, because how I want my braid to fall is to go across and then just sit nicely behind the ear. So, straighten up my section. And then I'm just going to clip this all out of the way. So this actually is the section that we're going to deal with. So, I take it so I know once the braids are done, it will sit nicely here. Perfect, I like the look of that. So, I'd brush your hair first, make sure you've got no tangles or anything like that. So I'm going to take my first section. I'm actually going to do a Dutch braid, just because I think it looks nicer, because it pops out a bit more, shows the braid off. But you could do a normal braid if you wanted. So, split my hair into 3 sections. How I speak about it will be inside, this is my inside section, this is my middle section, and this is my outside. Just purely because this is on the outside of my hairline and it's an easier way to explain what I'm doing. So take my 3 sections. So my outside section, I'm gonna go straight under the middle. Then my middle becomes my outside. And then I'm gonna take my inside section under my middle. So then my middle becomes my inside. So then outside section, I'm gonna grab some hair and I'm gonna go under the middle. So then the middle becomes back onto the outside. And inside, I'm going to grab some hair and then become under middle. And then repeat. So outside, grab some hair and go under the middle. Inside, grab some hair, go under the middle. Some people like to move their section and then add the hair. I'll show you. So then we are doing outside goes under the middle, then you can grab some hair and then add that to that section. I just like to do it all in one go, but play around and do both, see what you find better, but I just like picking up the hair as I go. So inside, grab some hair, come under the middle. But then I'm keeping everything quite tight as I go along, but I think this is something that maybe over time you get better at. So yeah, outside, grab some hair, under the middle, and just make sure that you're following your section. So inside, grab some hair, under the middle. Outside, grab some hair, middle. See, outside, no, inside, grab some hair under the middle. You can really start to see the braid form. Outside, grab some hair under the middle. Inside, grab some hair under the middle. Outside, grab some hair, running out of hair here, under the middle, pulling it nice and tight. You don't want to sag your braid. Inside, under, grab some hair, go under the middle. Outside, now behind the ear. Grab some last little bit of hair, under the middle. And then inside, under the middle, outside, under the middle. And now I'm literally just braiding. There's no hair left to grab to add. So continue to braid. You haven't got to braid it all the way down. You could just braid it to the ear, to just behind the ear, which was what I'm going to do. But you could, up to you. So then I'm just grabbing a little elastic, but you could just do it with a curvy grip. But because with my Dutch braids, I like to pull them out. It's better if it's tied. Ow, pink myself. So yeah, just tie this off. So there's my Dutch braid. And then what I'm going to do is going to pull it out. So you can pull it out as much or as little as you like. I quite like to pull it out quite chunky. I start from the top and then work my way down. I just kind of look and see what I like. So, pancake it. Some bits you could just pull a bit more than others. Obviously, if you have got shorter layers or a fringe, I'd just be mindful when you pull that you might pull some sections out. So say here, I've got like a little straight bit. But I don't mind it. I don't want it too pretty and pristine. I quite like it looking a bit messy. So yeah, that sits behind my ear nicely, and then this front bit, put it here. It also looks quite good if you have got any roots or regrowth. It will help cover it up. My roots are starting to come through. So yeah. Yeah, I quite like that. Then you could just get a curvy grip to fix that if you want to, if your hair is shorter and you didn't want it poking out. And that's it. Take my hair down. I've got loads of baby hairs. And then that's it. You can then just use some hairspray to fix that into place if you wanted to. You could do another one down this side. I think it's a really cute way of keeping hair out your face. Rather than just start using a band or just clipping a bit out. So it looks really pretty. So yeah, I hope you find this interesting and helpful. I forgot actually to put my glasses back on, that's better. So yeah, I think it's a really cute way of getting hair out your face, but it looks tidy too. So I hope you found this helpful. I would love it if you did try it and then tag me in your pictures on Instagram or on Facebook. I am Krown Hair Co. It's Krown for K. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Hope you're keeping safe and well. Bye.